morning students. Welcome to Sri Vidya Bharati Metric High Secondary School, Sakaramalayam, Namakkal district. Today we are going to discuss in your 11th standard spot the error. Listen guys. Yesterday we taught prepositions based spot the error. Today the same preposition next concord conjunction like that. Listen. Some more errors which we commonly commit in prepositions. Some more errors which we commonly commit in prepositions. Incorrect question. We discussed about the matter yesterday. He discussed about the matter yesterday. Discussed verb near about the preposition is wrong answer. He discussed அப்படிங்கிற verb பக்கத்தில் about வரக்கூடாது. He discussed about the matter yesterday. This is the wrong, incorrect question. Correct answer. He discussed the matter yesterday. He discussed the matter yesterday. Next one. I came by walk. I came by walk. Underline the word by. This is wrong. So which one is right? I came on foot. I came on foot. Next one. Smoking in injurious for health. Smoking in injurious for health. Underline the word for. This is a wrong answer. Smoking is injurious to health. For change to. Yes. Next one. He was listening to the music between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. He was listening to the music between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Answer. He was listening to the music between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Here 2. This is the wrong preposition. He was listening to the music between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. 2 it's not come. Only you should write. He was listening to the music between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Yes, underline the word and. Next one. The children were sitting below a tree. Students listen. The children were sitting below a tree. Underline the word below. The children were sitting under a tree. Which one is right? Under. Below change to under. Already you know this is a scientific truth or yes. Water boils on 100 degrees Celsius. You know scientific truth or simple present tense we used. Water boils on 100 degrees Celsius. This is a wrong answer. On. Underline the word on. Water boils on. It's a wrong word on. So which one is right? Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Next one. Several dams were built over the river. Several dams were built over the river. Underline the word over. Students, several dams were built across the river. Underline the word across. Which one is right? The answer here, across. Next one. The bridge is being built on the Kaveri river. The bridge is being built on the Kaveri river. Yes. Listen. On. The preposition on. This is the wrong word. The bridge is being built on the Kaveri river. This is the wrong word. A bridge is being built over the Kaveri river is the right answer. Over the Kaveri river. Next one. Students, do you know concord? Concord means nothing but subject, verb and agreement. Concord means nothing but subject, verb and agreement. Listen. Nouns coming after the phrases like one of the, some of the, none of the, each of the and very few of the etc. Should be in plural form only. Should be in plural form only. Once again, nouns coming after the phrases like one of the, some of the, none of the, each of the, very few of the, etc. should be in plural form only. Listen. One of his brother is in America. One of his brother is in America. Students, one of his brothers. Yes. One of the, wrong answer, one of these. One of the brother, one of his brothers. Yes. One of his brother is in America. One of his brothers is the right answer. Next one, none of the student scored good marks. Listen well, none of the students scored good marks. Next one, each of the player performed well. Students, not each of the player. Which one is right answer? Each of the players. Each of the players performed well. Next one, two nouns connected to a singular subject. Two nouns connected to a singular subject using with the as well as in addition. In addition to, once again, two nouns connected to a singular subject using with as well as in addition to, together with, along with, either or, nor. Students, do you know the correlative conjunction? Either or, neither nor. These are called a correlative conjunction. Listen, the principal as well as the staff are present. Here or is wrong answer. The principal as well as the staff is present. Underline the word is. Here are changed to is, because two nouns connected to a singular subject. Next one, cotton as well as jute. Cotton as well as jute have fallen in price. Listen guys, cotton as well as jute have, underline the word here, have changed to has. Have changed to has. Cotton as well as jute has fallen in price. Next one, listen guys, neither nor. This is correlative conjunction. Neither Kamala nor Vimala. Kamala and Vimala. Yes, two nouns comes here. Neither Kamala nor Vimala are intelligent. Listen students, neither Kamala nor Vimala is intelligent. Are changed to is. Next one, the teacher along with the students go for a picnic every year. The teacher along with the students go for a picnic every year. The teacher along with the students not go. This is wrong answer. Goes for a picnic every year. The teacher along with the students, underline the word all of you, goes for a picnic every year. This is the right answer. Next one, the house with its contents were insured. The house with its contents were insured. Listen students, where is the wrong answer. Where changed to was. The house with its contents was insured. Okay. Next one, words like subjects, you know, physics, civics, politics, linguistics, statistics and mathematics, news and economics are singular. Listen all of you once again. Words like physics, civics, politics, linguistics, statistics, mathematics, news and economics are singular. And so they take a singular verb only. And so they take a singular verb only. Very, very important students. Physics are my favorite subject. This is an incorrect question. Because the singular subject, you know, you must write is only. You should not write or here. Physics is my favorite subject. The news are very good. This is the wrong answer. Because the singular subject, you know, the news is very good. Are changed to here is. Next one, students, do you know acronyms? What is meant by abbreviation? Based by letters, you know. Then acronyms is a word. Acronyms is a word. For an example, NASA, like that. Acronyms are considered as singular and so they take a singular verb only. AIDS are considered. AIDS is the singular subject. So you should not write or. AIDS are considered as the most dreadful disease. Here are changed to is. AIDS is considered as the most dreadful disease. Next one, the word given acronyms UNICEF. The UNICEF carry out a lot of noble service for the protection of children. The UNICEF carry out a lot of noble service for the protection of children. Here, listen, the UNICEF carry. You should write here, UNICEF carries. The UNICEF carries out a lot of noble service for the protection of children. Next one, when two subjects express a single idea. When two subjects express a single idea, they take a singular verb. They take a singular verb. You know the proverb also comes a simple present tense only. Slow and steady win the race. This is the wrong answer. Slow and steady wins the race. Underline the word wins. The cup and saucer are placed on the table. The cup and saucer are placed on the table. Students, are placed. This is the wrong answer. Are changed to here. Are changed to is. Next, bread and butter make a wholesome breakfast. Make. Listen guys, bread and butter makes. Here win change to wins, or change to is, make change to makes. Bread and butter makes a wholesome breakfast. Next one, early to bed and early to rise are good habit. Early to bed and early to rise are good habit. Answer, listen students, here are changed to is. Early to bed and early to rise, early to bed and early to rise is good habit. Next one, greed and grief go hand in hand. Greed and grief go hand in hand. Answer students, greed and grief goes. Answer, greed and grief goes hand in hand. Here go change to goes. Next one, honor and glory are his reward. Honor and glory are his reward. Students, here are changed to is. Are changed to is. Honor and glory is his reward. Next one, the ebb and flow of the tide are due to the lunar influence. The ebb and flow of the tide are due to the lunar influence. Here are changed to is. Here are changed to is. Okay. Next one, listen students, singular and plural. You know these words like luggage, furniture, baggage, deer, staff, information, etc. are always in singular. Luggage, furniture, package, deer, staff and information, etc. are always in singular. They should never be used in plural form. They should never be used in plural form. So keep it in your mind. The words are very, very important students. Words like luggage, furniture, package, deer, staff and the word information, etc. are always in singular. Are always in singular. They should never be used in plural form. Staffs அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது. Okay. Furnitures அப்படி நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது. Luggages, informations இதெல்லாம் wrong answer. We bought a lot of furnitures அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அதை ஃபர்னிச்சர்னு மாற்றணும். எஸ் எடுத்துடணும். We bought a lot of furniture. The staffs அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. This is a wrong answer. The staff gathered for the meeting. Next one, Raj followed his wife carrying the luggage. Raj followed his wife carrying the luggage. அங்கே லக்கேஜ் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா நீங்கள் அப்படியே லக்கேஜ் தான் போடணும், எஸ் ஏற்றிடாதீங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், அதே மாதிரி லக்கேஜஸ்ன்னு எஸ் ஏற்றி கொடுத்தாலும் எஸ்ஸை கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு நீங்கள் லக்கேஜ்னு மட்டும்தான் எழுதணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், we have got all the information from our boss. Students, we have got all the information கொடுத்தாங்கன்னு நீங்கள் அப்படி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எழுதணும். உங்கள் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ்னு கொடுத்துருந்தாலும் உங்கள் எஸ்ஸை கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் மட்டும்தான் எழுதணும். பிகாஸ் சிங்குலர் சப்ஜெக்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், students, phrases like a lot of, some of, plenty of, etc. are singular when they are followed by any amount or quantity, but they are singular when they are followed by any amount or quantity, but they are plural when they are followed by a number. Listen students, a lot of work are to be finished by me. Underline the word "are" here. Or this is an incorrect question. I will tell the correct answer now. A lot of work is, or change to is. A lot of work is to be finished by me. Next one, a lot of students is attending the seminar. Here is change to are. A lot of students is attending the seminar. Here is changed to are. Next one, some nouns such as police, people, cattle and livestock, children, etc. are already in plural form. So it's wrong to add s. Police, people, cattle and livestock, children are already in plural form. Keep it in mind. Already அதெல்லாம் plural formல தான் இருக்கு. அது கூட நம்ம s சேர்த்துறது wrong answer. Once again, incorrect question. The cattle are grazing. Very very important repeated question students. The cattle are grazing. The cattles நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது. The cattle அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லணும். Answer, the cattle are grazing. Next one, the police is in search of the criminal. The police கொடுத்துட்டு இஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, ஆல்ரெடி இதை ப்ளூரல் நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கோம்ல, அப்போ இஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு நம்ம ஆர் போடணும். The police are in search of the criminal. Okay, next, the plural forms for son-in-law and passer-by, அது எப்படி சேஞ்ச் ஆகும்னா sons-in-law, yes, passers-by அப்படின்னு நமக்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், I have two son-in-laws அப்படின்னு கொடுப்பாங்க. Son-in-laws, this is a incorrect question students. Answer, sons-in-law. Very very important repeated questions. I have two son-in-laws அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. This is the wrong answer. I have two sons-in-law. This is the correct answer. Passer-by அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Several passer-byனா வழிபோக்கர்கள். Several passer-by have seen it. Here passer-by changed to passers-by. Yes, several passers-by have seen it. Already you know these words like sheep, dozen, scenery, scissors and trousers, etc. should be used as such both in singular and plural form. Once again students, words like sheep, dozen, scenery, scissors, trousers, etc. should be used as such both in singular and plural form. For an example, about 40 sheep followed by the shepherd. Students, you should not write sheep. About 40 sheep. Yes, எடுத்துருங்க. He bought 3 dozen. He bought 3 டசன் மேங்கோஸ். இந்த இடத்துல டசன் நீங்கள் அப்படியே போடுங்க. சப்போஸ் உங்களுக்கு கொஸ்டினில் டசன்ஸ்னு கொடுத்துருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் எஸ்ஸை கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு டசன் மட்டும்தான் போடணும். த பியூட்டிஃபுல் சீனரிஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. த பியூட்டிஃபுல் சீனரிஸ் அட்ராக்ட் த டூரிஸ்ட். ஸ்டூடெண்ட், சீனரிஸ் இஸ் த ராங் ஆன்சர். Scenery is the correct answer. The beautiful scenery. Scenery is changed to scenery. Next, the beautiful scenery attracted the tourist. Next question. Get me a scissor from the toolbox. Students, get me a scissor. Answer is get me a pair of scissors. It's 100% right answer. Get me a pair of scissors from the toolbox. Next one. The plural form, mouse, louse and man, etc. Mouse அப்படிங்கிறது mice அப்படின்னு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். This loose அப்படிங்கிறது lies அப்படிங்கிற சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். Man அப்படிங்கிறது men அப்படின்னு தான் நமக்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். I saw a cat chasing 2 mouses. மவுசஸ் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லக்கூடாது. அதை வந்து என்ன சொல்லலாம், நம்ம மைஸ். இங்கே வந்து எம் கட் ஆகிருக்கு, நீங்கள் எம் போட்டுக்கோங்க. மைஸ். ஐ சா எ கேட் சேசிங் 2 mice. MICE. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இன் திஸ் கன்ஜெக்ஷன் we will discuss the next class. Conjunction based spot error we will discuss the next class. Presented by K. Yashoda, PG Assistant in English, Sri Vidya Bharati Metric High Secondary School, Sakrambalayam. Thank you students.